Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here and I have another amazing product for you today. Today we have the GT4 Pro Android watch which comes with AMOLED display, a 4G network connectivity, and not just that, it also comes with dual cameras. We have a camera on the right side and also a camera on the back side. It's like a smartphone on your wrist and it offers many features. In this video we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features, but before we start, if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it and explore everything in the GT4 Pro Android watch. First of all, if you take a look inside the box, we have the user manual, USB-A magnetic charger, a SIM tray ejector tool, 22mm straps, the GT4 Pro or the LM01 smartwatch, and in the end we also get a screen protector for the smartwatch. So here is the first look on the smartwatch. It looks quite similar to the Huawei GT4. First of all, we get a 1.43 inches AMOLED display with a screen resolution of 466 x 466, and the AMOLED display and great resolution also provides crisp visuals. And some people also ask if the product has multi-touch or not. Then yes, it does have multi-touch. After that, as far as I have checked, it comes with a plastic case. We have the time markers here. Then we get the crown key here, which can be used to change the watch face and to access the menu and to go back. You can also use it for scrolling. Then we have this side key which can be used to turn off the display and to turn it back on. And on the back side we have the magnetic charging points and the health sensors. We also get two cameras on the body. We will talk about it later in the video. And it is using 22mm removable straps, and you can easily remove the straps and use any 22mm straps here. And here is how the smartwatch looks on the wrist. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Talking about the home screen, we get many watch faces inside it. It's equipped with a lot of watch faces, although the smartwatch does not come with a dial market. But if you want to use your own picture from the gallery as a watch face, then you'll have to go to this watch face and you'll have to press and hold and tap on the settings icon, and then you can choose the pictures you have captured, or you can choose the pictures you have downloaded from the internet as wallpapers. Then we get the control center, split screen, quick access applications, and from bottom to top we have the notifications. It also comes with many menu styles inside it, and you can double click the crown key to change the menu style. The overall theme is quite nice and the icons are quite vibrant. It also comes with the circular cellular menu style and the vertical cellular menu style like watchOS. You can go to this application if you want to change the icon style. This one resembles with the Apple watchOS, and by tapping here you can also change the background picture in the menus. Another thing that I really like about it is that if the UI is not fitting on the screen, then you can press and hold the side key and then tap on this circle, and after that when you go back it will move the application in square mode so you can access all of the corners. This is mainly not an issue of this watch. It is because it's in circular dial and most of the applications are not designed according to that. Then talking about the screen time, if we go to settings, then display, then here the maximum sleep time is 30 minutes, or you can choose the never option. Then the display can stay on forever on the watch face or any page you have opened until the battery dies. But if you turn off the display, it will directly turn it off, as it does not come with the screen of dial or the always on display option. Talking about the gesture, the smartwatch comes with the raise to wake gesture to turn on the display and the palm gesture to turn off the display. And now let's talk about the cameras. So it is equipped with dual cameras and they have advertised them to be 200-watt cameras. So let's check the camera application. So currently it is using the rear camera, and as far as I've checked, in the light the camera quality is quite good, but it is not the best in darkness. You can tap here to change the camera and switch to the side camera, and here you can see that even the side camera is quite clear. So currently if I move it towards the light, you can see that it does not add extra exposure on the picture. And if I use the rear camera, so I'm gonna record a video using the rear camera. We will also test out the microphone and the speaker. So now let's go ahead and play the video. Testing the speaker and the microphone and the video quality of this LM01 smartwatch. So the microphone is quite good and the speaker volume level is also good. Talking about the cameras, instead of having a camera at the back, I would have preferred a camera at the front like we had in the BTS smartwatch I reviewed earlier. So using the camera you can also take many other advantages. For example, currently I'm on a video call with my other device and overall the experience is working quite well. You can also tap here if you want to switch the cameras. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. And now let's talk about the SIM network. So you can either use the SIM tray ejector or use your nail to get the SIM tray out. So it uses the nano SIM card, and as they have advertised, it supports 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G network connectivity. And sometimes after inserting the SIM card, you will need to restart the smartwatch. So I'm gonna reboot it now. So now the smartwatch has restarted and it has now detected the network. So you can take many advantages using the SIM card. You can dial calls directly from it, and not just that, you can also receive calls directly on it. You can also receive text messages on it, and do remember that it's an Android watch and it is like a smartphone, so you can dial or receive calls directly on it and receive text messages on it, but you cannot connect it with an application on your main smartphone and receive Bluetooth calls and push notifications. It's an Android watch and you can install the applications directly on it to get the notifications from them. After that, a lot of people ask about the notification behavior. So I've installed WhatsApp Business here, and if I receive a notification, it vibrates and rings, but it does not show a prompt. You can see that it is showing the new notification in the notification center. Even when the display is turned off, it only rings and vibrates, but it does not wake up the display. If we talk more about connectivity, then if you go to settings, in network we have Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is working pretty well for me. As you can see that I am receiving the notifications on WhatsApp Business, even though this router is a little bit away from my room, but it is able to detect all of the networks detected by my smartphone. We also have mobile network, then we have hotspot and tethering. We have USB tethering, then USB PC internet share, and we also have Wi-Fi hotspot to share your internet connection over Wi-Fi, and then we also get the Bluetooth tethering option. In the end, you can also put the smartwatch on airplane mode, and we also have Bluetooth inside it, and using Bluetooth you can also connect with your wireless earbuds, and you can also use Bluetooth to send and receive files. Now if we talk about the hardware, then the smartwatch is advertised to come with the 2GB RAM, and the 2GB RAM feels more than enough for this watch. The smartwatch is really smooth to use, its speed is also quite good, and if you go ahead and play the Subway Surfers game, then as you can see here, the experience is flawless and it is as smooth as any other device you might know. It is working absolutely fine and I'm quite impressed by the speed. What do you think about the gaming experience? Let me know in the comment section below. It comes with a storage capacity of 16GB, which is more than enough to install your favorite games, communication and other social applications, click pictures and store songs inside it. I've installed a game and I've installed some other applications, and I still have around 8GB of space available. If we talk about the Android version, then it is running Android version 8.1.0. Android 8 adds many functionalities in the smartwatch. You can install your favorite applications inside it. As far as I've checked, it is supporting most of the main applications that you would need on this watch. I've also installed few applications like YouTube, then I have social applications like Facebook, then communication applications like WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business. I've also got Instagram, Google Maps and TikTok. So just like this, you can also install your favorite applications from Google. So talking about the Android apps, I've also got Google Maps here. So if you go to settings and here scroll down, we also get location option here, and it also comes with GPS inside it. You can choose the mode to be high accuracy so that it uses GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data to determine the location. It also comes with the location services offered by Google. So using GPS, you can also use Google Maps on it, and using it you can search for your destination and follow the paths easily on your wrist. If we talk about the other Android applications, then it also comes with the browser, using which you can search for anything on Google. Then in contacts, you can also add your Google account and sync contacts from the Gmail account. Then you can also add alarms directly in this watch. So let me turn on the alarm. You can also select the days if you want to repeat it. Here's how the alarm is shown. It rings as well as vibrates. Here is the snooze option and here is the close option. So you can swipe from the middle to the right. After that we have stopwatch. You can tap here to start it. You can tap here to add as many laps as you want, and you can find all of the laps here. But one bad thing in it is that if you quit while using the stopwatch, it will reset it to 0. After that we have timer. We have some predefined times here, and you can tap here to set time according to your need. Let's set it for 1 second. So now the timer has ended and it has started to ring to let you know that the time is up. After that we have the music application, so you can store many songs inside it. You can either download them from internet or transfer them to the watch using Bluetooth or the applications like ShareIt and Zapier. And not just that, you can also install the Android applications like Spotify to listen to the songs directly on it. After that, you can also record sound directly on it. We also have File Explorer to take a look at all of the folders in the watch. Here is the calendar application, and I really like the UI overall. Here is the calculator application, which has the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. It does not come with any scientific functions or the percentage function. If you take a look at the sports and health related applications, we have pedometer here. But after testing the pedometer, I can say that it is not too reliable, and I took around 20 to 25 steps and it only counted around 10 steps, which is quite disappointing considering it has GPS. After that we get the heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen level checker, and if you use it on the table then it continues to work, and in a few seconds it has started to show the values. If I use it on my fingers and check my pulse manually, then my pulse rate should be around 84 to 90 beats per minute, as I counted 14 to 15 pulses in 10 seconds, but it is showing data incorrectly. So the sensors are not too reliable and it feels more like a smartphone on your wrist than a sports smartwatch. In the end, as advertised, it comes with a 750 mAh of battery capacity, which can be charged using the magnetic charger provided in the box. You can use any power adapter or a power bank to charge the smartwatch. If I talk about my personal experience, then I've been working on this video for about half an hour now, in which the smartwatch has gone down to 78% from 91%, and 13% drainage in 30 minutes is justified. It equals around 25% drainage in an hour, and considering I continuously had Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data and the location services turned on, it's a pretty good battery life. With the 750 mAh of battery capacity, it was a quite decent battery life, and I think with the normal usage it can give you a day of battery life on your wrist. So guys, what do you think about it? In my opinion, it's a tiny smartphone on your wrist. It is offering all of the features that your smartphone has. If you would like to place an order, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. For more videos, you can visit the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.